everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to reset your Amazon password if you forgot it. First of all, go ahead and click on sign in to your account and then enter your mobile number or email. After that, go ahead and click on forgot password and then click continue after your email is there, and then solve a puzzle to protect your account. Then go ahead and check your Gmail account. A security code will be sent there, and then go ahead and put in your verification code on the app. After that, submit the code and then enter your new password and then save changes. And then if you want, you could add your mobile number, but if you want to skip it, just skip it. And there you go. This is how you guys can log into your reset your Amazon password if you forgot it. Safe setup, turn on two-step verification after resetting to protect your account. Quick fix, if the reset email does not arrive, check your spam or switch off VPN, and that's it. Subscribe for more